dispatch, copy traffic. Vehicle is going. Disregard vehicle fled and it just crashed. Oh, Lord.
C45, 16, where are you?
I'm gonna be under the tunnel. Under the tunnel. Lord. If you're coming 95 southbound, it's gonna be exit 55 going straight, not taking that right. Lord.
County Highway.
10-4. Vehicle's totaled. Going to check on the operator.
$17 on route.
Traffic is busy.
46, following around. 13 of them.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
C45 dispatch. Entering 401 right now. I'm being wrestled.
16 dispatch, can you start medics? It's going to be 2 individuals ejected from vehicle. Sir! 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 Sir!
C46, start from VRT so we get out, shut down the roadway.
Sir!
This way, this way.
46 black.
Sir!
C13 to responding units. It's going to be near the CXS. Rail station entrance. Closer to South Hanover Street.
He's ejected. Can't do anything. Right here.
This is AOC.
AOC 46. 6 on 1C.
This is
It's gone.
Dispatch AOC, can you send a VRT response to the port flat 300?
Deadline.
Can you have a VRT respond to the port flat 300?
And for
Are we still having the ramp shut down? Chevrolet.
It's one here. The other one's in the windshield.
Check on that. Check on it.
Yeah. He's gone.
Responding units. Let's divert traffic. We're gonna have to shut this road down here.
He's gone.
26. I got it blocked off. That is access road up here.
Thank you.
That's up.
Him and him
Where's the other person?
in the window.
26 AOC. Can you just advise BRT to block traffic at my vehicle at that access road?
Let's shut this down. Who's got crime scenes? Yeah, let's tape it up.
I got 10-4, sir. What's your exact location?
Never mind. He's on scene.
10-4.
46 dispatch. Also contact Motor City to assist with a traffic report here.
Yeah,
16.
update. It's not
How do I even call that in?
17 dispatch. No number is not responsive number either.
Have you guys checked pulses yet?
No. His pupils are unresponsive. And I don't even want to move him. I don't want to touch him.
AMC 46 dispatch. Just be advised, maintenance is on standby to assist if need be.
Go ahead. Did they come off right here?
No, we were on 95.
Yeah.
We were on 95. I was rolling. I don't even want to touch him. Yeah. Hold it.
Here, roll over.
Roll him over?
Yeah, start sitting here.
past you.
Yeah.
Did you want us to mark the area?
No. Thank you.
Switch.